I'm bored. What should I do? What should I do? Slime. Whoa! This is amazing! I think nah, this time do not use it anymore. Go back in. This is nice. Yes! Go out. Only the slime is here. Only the slime is supposed to be here. This is good. Out of my way now. Now. We have to open it from open it from here. Do it like this and wait a minute. This is the rules, okay. Number 1. Number 2, number 3. Okay, I guess I have to do it. This is slime. This is slime. Which one is glue? I think. Yeah, we need glue also. Oh, 2 glues. Okay. I think I'll start with the blue first. First thing you need to do is put the slime, then glue, then mix it together. Whoa! This is a lot of slime, sure, a lot of slime now. Ooh. With slime mixed up. Smells the richer. I don't think so. This is good. No. Too much glue. That's cute. Yes. Come back here, slime. I don't need that anymore.
No.
Do you like it?
Yes, so much. Next. Hey, this is pink, not red. How do we mix it again? Now we add the magical liquid. Hooray! going to mix both of the colors together. But this is pink. No, pink. Silver! Whoa.
Well done!
Violet blossom. I made a monster now. I'm going to make a smiley face now out of the half legs. Goodbye, slime. Not now. Goodbye, slime.